In today's video, I'm going to be doing a bloom on a wooden heart. I have my cake stand spinner and my little world's smallest leaf blower that I'll be using to blow out the paint. I have a wood heart that I'll be using to pour on. I also have some wood coasters if I have enough leftover paint. For my container that I'm spinning in, this is actually just a inflatable pool. I also have 3 shades of blue that I'm going to be using. They are all Color Art pigments mixed with Sherwin-Williams Ultra Deep Base C, which is an untinted base. I also have white and black for my cell activators, both mixed with Australian Floetrol and black and white paint. But I have my nice thick white house paint that I'm using for my base. And then I'm just going to start pooling my blues in a few different areas to create my blooms. Once I had my puddles of blue down, I just started with my black cell activator, and then I put my white cell activator on top of the black. And I just want to see if I can get some nice cells with both the black and the white instead of just using one or the other, which I've normally done in the past. I just took the black portion off of my world's smallest leaf blower and just used it as is. The airflow is a little bit stronger and it created some really awesome cells. I think using both the black and the white was really fun and different. Once I had blown out my small puddles, I actually just took a toothpick and ran it through. It creates almost like a paisley pattern, and this is called a rect bloom. I do like the way it looks. Once I used the toothpick to go through my blooms, I just let it sit for a minute for more of those cells to form, and then I spun it out. And spinning it out, this looks fantastic. I love the way that the spinning really works for the designs. Pulling out some of the blooms with the toothpick just gives it something a little extra. And I'm just going to set this aside to dry, and I will work on some coasters next. So for the coasters, I just did one puddle of the blue right in the middle instead of the multiple puddles that I did on the heart, but I am still going to use the black and the white to create my cells on top. And instead of using my leaf blower, I'm just blowing on it this time to create all my cells, and that also worked really well. As I let them sit, the cells just popped like crazy. I decided to try spinning these out, and as you can see, I had not taped down my coasters and that one just spun right off. So my heart, wood heart, was heavy enough that it didn't come off my spinner, but if you're working with something smaller, you may want to tape it down. You can just put a piece of tape on the back and stick it down so that it doesn't fly off. That is not the first time that I've done that with things that I'm working on, but sometimes I just need a little reminder that I've forgotten to do something, which would be to tape down the coasters. So instead, I just tilted them out a little bit, and again, the blooms that I got on these were just beautiful. The cells just popped like crazy, and it was really fun to use both the black and the white to create cells for something a little bit different from what I normally do. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I do have some more of these wooden hearts, so if there are other colors that you'd like to see with the bloom technique, or if there are other techniques you want to see done on a heart, let me know and I will work on those. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications for when I put out videos. I do put out 3 videos a week. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.